The West Virginia Department of Education held its 4th annual Culineering Challenge here at Ogilvie Resort. This cast from Netflix's Baking Impossible joined us for our 2nd year, and here's what they had to say about the students and the challenge.
Hi, I'm Sarah Schonauer, and I am the winner of Netflix's Baking Impossible, and I am so excited to be here for the 2nd time as a judge and a mentor at the Culineering Challenge. I don't think this would happen without the support of people like you and the support of the community, and this is an opportunity that your kids are getting in this environment to enrich their skills. I can see the real world happening all around them. And I think public education is so important because this is kind of the antidote for what I see going on in the world right now. Teachers, I happen to be married to a teacher, are so undervalued, and the ones that really care, that are going above and beyond like this, these are treasures. So whatever we can do to lift them up, you let us know. I know we'll be here to help you, and I hope you guys see the value too.
My experience working with them has given me a lot of enthusiasm for West Virginia education, for the students, and for the program. These are exactly the kind of students we want to hire out in the field. They're people who they've done the book learning, they know their material, but they also know how to run a project, cooperate with a team, and build things. Like, that's what we want to see. We want people talking about things that they've actually designed, built, and actually taken all the way over the finish line. So I think this is an extremely good program. I can tell you with absolute certainty that every one of these putt-putt courses that the students have made would be at home on the original Netflix show.
So here in West Virginia, I've been working here today with middle school. Most of them are seniors here, so they have bigger challenges because they have to step up their game to a senior level, and they're only in middle school. So our team with their teachers, the culinary and the engineering department, have done an absolute amazing job. They have overcome hurdles that when they started this, they all had saggy faces. And working into that, I see them perking up and actually starting to work together as a team more and more as the project went on. And at the point they are today, they're very, very happy with what they made. And I said, they overcame a lot of challenges that this early in life for them is not easy.
This is such a wonderful experience. It is so clear that West Virginia cares so much about their students and about public education as a whole. I have never seen a competition like this before. I did Science Olympiad in high school, and it wasn't to this scale even a little bit. So for the teams to be able to put together such intricate designs in such a short period of time, and these are kids who are doing this. They're not full-fledged engineers, they're not full-fledged culinary artists. They are children who are in school, and they are making things that I never would have thought, and I was on the show.
Most things you have to start to plan ahead of time, and you have to learn that core value, and it's hard to learn. Sometimes you have to learn it the hard way. So these teachers are really teaching the children how to plan ahead, how to prep themselves, and how to work as a team, which is so important.
The instructors are clearly inspiring them to work harder, come together as a team, really giving them inspiration for what they want to do. And then I think also the Department of Education just providing the kind of competition and the opportunities that they've provided here today. It's just so cool to see that. Something that I think a lot of us wish we had had when we were in high school.
It is fantastic to see their creativity, and it's fantastic to see that the Board of Education cares about the students in such a manner.